What is going on, guys? Drake here with RemoveICloudLock.co, and in today's video we're going to show you guys how to reset your iPhone 7 into recovery mode. So this is a very easy and simple tutorial, and using these steps you'll be able to put your phone into recovery mode. So the only thing you need is your iPhone, a USB lightning cable, and a computer with iTunes. So first begin by connecting the lightning cable to the phone here. Now once that's connected, we're just going to want to hold the volume down and power button for 10 seconds till the phone shuts off. And then we're just going to keep holding it as it resets. And pretty soon we'll see a white iPhone or white Apple screen. And as we can see, it will reset there into the iTunes screen. So from here on out, the rest of these steps you do on your computer, and all you can do from there is reset, update, restore, and that is about it for recovery mode. And all you want to do to take it out is remove the cord here and hold the volume button and power button down again for 10 seconds to restore, reset again. And once Apple logo shows up, we're good to go. There we go. Thank you guys for watching the video. This was an easy tutorial. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new. And signing off, this is Drake. We'll see you guys in the next one.